Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Welcome to the Greenleaf Hotel. How can I help you today?
I have a reservation for 2 nights.
Sure. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Sarah Williams.
Thank you, Miss Williams. Let me check our system. Yes, I found your booking. You reserved a double room from October 25th to October 27th. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Great. May I please see your passport or ID for verification?
Of course, here's my passport.
Thank you. And may I also have a credit card for the room deposit?
Sure, here you go.
Perfect. The total for 2 nights is $180, including breakfast.
Sounds good. Breakfast is included, right?
Yes, breakfast is served on the first floor from 7 to 10 a.m.
That's great. Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, we do. The Wi-Fi username and password are written on this card.
Thank you. And is there a gym in the hotel?
Yes, our fitness center is open 24 hours on the 2nd floor.
Wonderful. What about laundry service?
We offer same-day laundry service. If you give your clothes before 10 a.m., you'll get them back by evening.
That's very convenient.
You'll be staying in room 504 on the 5th floor.
Okay, thank you.
Here is your key card. Please insert it into the slot near the door to turn on the electricity.
Got it. How can I call the front desk from my room?
Just dial 0 on the room phone and we'll be happy to assist you anytime.
Perfect. Oh, one more thing. Could I get an extra pillow, please?
Certainly. I'll ask housekeeping to send one to your room right away.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Excuse me, where can I find a good restaurant nearby?
There's a lovely Italian restaurant just across the street. It's called Bella Roma.
Nice. And how far is the city center from here?
It's about a 10-minute taxi ride. We can also arrange a shuttle for you if you like.
That would be great. I might need that tomorrow.
No problem. Just let us know in advance and we'll book it for you. Here is your key card, Wi-Fi information, and breakfast coupon.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Ms. Williams. Enjoy your stay at the Greenleaf Hotel.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
You too.